Hey everyone, happy Friday. I hope you guys all had a great week and I hope you finished strong like I did. I'm up $1,600 today and it actually should have been more, but my computer for some reason has been acting up on me today and the fan has been kicking on. Seems like the processor, it's been using a lot of power. I'm not sure if this morning if I forgot to plug in the computer, my laptop, and it was just running off battery, which can slow down the processor. Um, so it was just really strange. I did change the layout of my Thinkorswim, as you can see. So I don't know if having all these extra windows open is, make like, throttling down my processor and causing things to act on the lag or what, but the first trade of the day I took was here, MYSZ, um, and you can see here I marked out kind of my pre-market level. I was going to jump in over the whole dollar at $2, um, which I did, but the order was slow to process because of the computer lag, so it didn't actually activate until $2.14. Up here, as you can see, which is the top, and then it started dropping on me immediately, and I went to sell it, and it wouldn't sell because of the lag on the laptop. Everything was just being very slow and clunky, and by this time I was down over $1,000 on the first trade of the day once the order actually hit and executed. So I was getting really frustrated because the computer lag. I was like, oh my God, why? Like, it should have been like a $300 or $400 loss when I actually hit the hotkey to sell. But because of the time delay from the computer not processing it correctly, you get the idea. So on this trade here, you can see wound up being down $1,066.38. Drag over my order window. So you can see here, 631 and 631.22. I got in at about $2 and 14 and a half cents, $2.15. Basically the high of day at that point. And then I went to sell when it broke down past $2, and it just wasn't selling, and so it wound up going all the way down to 194 before it actually sold off my whole position. It was 5,000 shares, so not too happy about that situation to start my morning. It really kind of rocked me. And then I saw SGRP opening up on my scanner. Let's go here. SGRP. So this one was not on my watch list this morning. Just out of the gate, it started popping up, and it broke through all of the moving averages, and then it did a little flag here, and then it started popping up again. So I jumped in at the $2 mark, I believe. Let me double check this. Oh, three. Sorry, no, $2.35 down here. 5,000 shares at 235 and at 240. So same thing happened. There was a delay in my order. By the time it started processing on my order window, right here, I was already up over $2,000. And then, as you can see, it started spiking up to 375, and I'm trying to smash the sell button, and it's not working. And right here, P&L day is showing me about $4,500. And I'm thinking, oh my God, this is great. This is the best trade of my career. And it's not selling. So I'm here just smashing this flatten button. I'm like, get me out of this position. Please get me out of here. And nothing's working. The delay, the price starts dropping. And then finally, the orders close. Like my screen just flashed and the order closed. I can't believe that my Thinkorswim didn't crash on me and I had to restart or something. That's how clunky this was working. My fan is still going off, so I think the setup that I'm having is right now with the four, like this is all one stock here, and these are all linked together. So if I type in CNET, for example, right here, it updates every window with CNET and loads up all the charts for it. Um, so SGRP. This might be just too much for my computer to handle, to have this plus this window going. And this morning I had 4 of these. I had 2 on this screen, 2 on my other screen, plus my order window on my laptop screen. So I think it was, I don't know, I'm surprised if it's too much to handle for this. You know, it's a MacBook Pro, you know, i5 processor, plenty of memory. I just think it's just having a bad day or something. I checked my internet speed, getting 15 megabytes per second download. So I thought, you know, internet's fine. Anyways, nonetheless, if you calculate my P&L for the day, just on my day trades, my long-term stocks kind of took a little dump on me today too. But you can see here, SGRP, up 2,600 on that. My other trade, MYSZ, down 1,060. So all in all, about a $1,500 day of profit for me. So, which is great. It's up there with one of my higher trading days. It could have been a lot higher, but green is good. I'm very happy with that. I'm up about $4,000 on the month. Let me do a little analysis here and show you guys my trade review. Not sure why that didn't automatically log me in, but whatever. Go here, dashboard, reports. There you can see gross daily P&L for the last 30 days. This is all just kind of practice here. A couple of big down days, but mostly green days, mostly heading in the right direction. You can see my gross cumulative P&L last 30 days on a general upward trajectory. Winning percentage, keeping it above 50. Daily volume, you know, I feel like I do better on the lighter volume days. So far this is all great. Average winning trade, $500. It's pretty good. $500 a day will definitely keep the 9-to-5 job away. This largest loss, though, I need to taper this. You know, I need to make sure I don't lose too much money on just one single trade. It's hard to claw back. So, performance by day of week. You know, Mondays are always rough, I think, for everyone. But that was, you know, this Monday I had a huge loss. I think I would have been up had it not been that huge loss on Monday that I took. Had to claw back the rest of the week. So obviously the early trades I get in on, the better. I start to do worse after, you know, around 11 o'clock. I need to just avoid trading altogether and maybe come back around, you know, right after lunch. So, you know, this has been a great experiment so far, and right now I started the month with $2,000 in my account, and today I closed with over $6,000, and hoping to keep this momentum going for the rest of the year, at least for the rest of this month. If I can finish green this month, you know, keep this momentum going and build a nice cushion, then I can take a little more risk in February, March, April. Right now it's just all about building a cushion, not getting too wild. Don't want to blow up my account this early. So yeah, if you enjoy these videos, I'm going to start doing more of like a live stream style of recording so you guys can see me in the videos. And then I'm going to do a couple of tutorial style videos starting next week to show you guys all the tools I use, the setups, you know, what I'm thinking, my thought process, all that to make you a better trader and to hopefully inspire you to do the same that I'm doing and try to make some money. You know, every day in the stock market, these stocks are just jumping off the chart. And so it's just a matter of waking up and getting in on the right stock that everyone else is looking at and executing the plan. So till then, it's Monday, the market's closed, so I'll see you guys back here on Tuesday. Have a great weekend. Bye.